Hey, all you mathematicians out there. We are on topic 11, level 11, lesson 5, using mental math. Take a second. What do you think that means? Mental math. Well, that means, can you do it? Can you solve these problems with just your brain? Now, they've done us a favor. They've drawn us some pictures of 10 frames. If you need those to help you with this lesson, you can draw sticks and dots, and you can use a number line. You know, there are a million different ways you can solve these problems. Today, we're going to try and use mental math. That means use our brains to find out 10 less than a number. This story says, suppose you have 89 trading cards. You want to give your friend 10 of them. How could you find out how many cards you will have left over? That means we're taking away without using paper and pencil. So we're going to have to use mental math to solve this problem. Now, they've drawn a picture for us here with a bunch of 10 frames, 89 dots shown. We know it's not 90 because we're missing a dot right here. And they want to know what would happen if we took away 10. Well, one way I could find this out is by crossing out one of the 10 frames and then counting after I've taken one away. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 79. 79. So using this strategy, I was able to find 79 after I took away 10. Now, if I'm using mental math, and I'm a smart mathematician like you are, I am going to look at the tens place of my big number, and I'm going to take away one group of 10. What number comes before 8? That's right, 7. So 89 take away 10 is 79. So all you're doing is looking at that tens place and taking away one group of 10, just like we did up here with these pictures. But they want to see, can you do that in your head? And if you can't, that's okay, that's fine. Use a strategy to help you figure it out. Let's do a few more problems before I let you get started. We have 20 take away 10. Well, a few ways I could solve this. I could start at 10 and count out up to 20. 10, 20. One group of 10. So 20 take away 10 could be 10. We could draw 2 10 sticks, take away 1. We could draw 2 10 frames. And take away 1 to have 1 10 frame left. Or I can just look at the tens place, figure out what number comes before 2. Well, 2 take away 1 is 1. 20 take away 10 equals 10. Now let's see if we can do another challenging question. 32 take away 10. I could draw 3 10 sticks and 2 dots. 10, 20, 30, 2. And take away 1 10 stick. How many do I have left? Count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22. I could draw 3 10 frames and 2 on the last 10 frame and take away 1 group of 10. That shows I have 10, 20, 2. Or I can always just go to the tens place and take away 1. 3 take away 1 is, you guessed it, 2. I can use my fingers. 3 take away 1. I've got 2. 22. Notice how that ones place did not change. It's still a 2 because all we're doing is changing the tens place. 3 take away 1 10 is 2. Now let's try 17 take away 10. Well, all I have to do is go to that tens place and take away 1. 1 take away 1 leaves me what? You got it, a big old 0. So all I have is 7 left. 17 take away 10 is 7. I can prove that with sticks and dots. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Take away 1, 10, and I've got 7 left. Now, 60 take away 10. Well, what comes right before 60? 50. That's exactly right. All I did was look at my tens place and say, what number comes before this? Well, 5 comes before that. It's not just going to be 5, it's got to be 50. I can also prove that if I feel more comfortable drawing sticks and dots. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Take away how many tens? You guessed it, just 1. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 left. Let's do one more before I let you go and try the quick check. Now, y'all, I can see your work that you're doing on the quick checks. You should always have a piece of paper with you using all the strategies you already know to solve these problems. Now, last one, 85, take away 10. What comes before 8? 7. And my ones place stays the same. 85, 75 comes before that. I can prove that by drawing sticks and dots, which you should be doing on your own paper. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 1 10 stick, and I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5 left. I expect you to be using your own pencil and paper to solve your problems for your quick checks. You are smart mathematicians, and the harder you work, the better you're going to be at this math. I know your second grade teachers are going to be super impressed next year.